In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix server list query returned an error on FiveM. So many players have reported that they have seen the error message when checking their server console after starting the server. FiveM is a modification of GTA where you can play the game in multiplayer on customized server. You can also create your own server in FiveM and play with your friends. In this extensive guide, we will be going through the reasons why you keep seeing the server list query error in FiveM and what you can do to fix it. So there are 6 solutions on how to fix this problem. Okay, so the first one is disable your firewall. So firewalls occasionally prevent a program from submitting requests because they believe it to be malware. If the server list query problem appears in your FiveM, that can be the reason. In such a case, you can turn off the firewall on your computer, which ought to resolve the problems. So these are the guides or steps on how to do it, but I will be showing you these steps in my computer. So first, go to Control Panel from the Windows search bar, and then open System and Security. And then select Windows Defender Firewall. You can see it on the left side menu. There you go. And then turn on the Windows Defender Firewall options. So in here, click on the Turn off Windows Defender Firewall Not Recommended button under the Private Network Settings and Public Network Settings. So as you can see here, I'm doing it right now, and then click on OK and close the window. Okay, so that is the first solution. Now let's move on to the second solution. So the second is change your IP configuration. So you should also configure your IP correctly by changing it as shown below when you're having the server list query error. So incorrect IP configuration can also cause the server list error in FiveM. So these are the steps on how to do it. So I will be showing you on how I do it on my computer as well. So write the command prompt in your Windows search bar and press enter. So this is where you have to type the IP configuration. So just type in ipconfig and /flash DNS and press enter. So you just have to follow the steps that is in your screen. So the third one is type net space winsock space reset and press enter. And then type exit and press enter. So that is how you need to enter the IP configuration in command prompt. So it says here that you have to also click on Network Sharing Center. So you just have to search that in your Windows search again and navigate to change adapter settings. So in here, right click on Ethernet and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4 and click on Properties. And then use the following DNS server addresses and put the values 1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1 and click on OK. So just follow these steps. This is steps, and you can fix the problem by following the second step. So you have to restart the system to make this work. So as you can see here, I'm doing what are the recommendations here. So you can also follow these steps in your computer. Okay, so let's move on to the third solution. It says here to update TX admin from FX server. You can also update to TX admin from a normal FX server and check whether that solves the issue, as some of the players have suggested that this had helped them in solving the server list carry error in their FiveM. So the fourth step is configure your server. If you aren't aware that CFX had changed the server listing, then you might not have configured your server correctly, due to which this error is showing up at the times. So CFX have changed the listing by adding 3 options. So you have to add or check these 3 options. You need to make sure that you fill these options out correctly and save the settings. You also have to set your ports right by setting 30120 for the server and 40120 for TX admin. After you are done, start FiveM and check whether you are still getting the FiveM server list carry error. Okay, so let's move on to the fifth solution, update FiveM client. For the next fix, you should update your FiveM client, as there could be an update that you have missed, due to which you might be having this issue while running FiveM in your system. In that case, you can just update the client to the latest version available and you will be able to solve the issue of server list carry in your FiveM. So you can update the client by going to FiveM's official website. You just have to click the website that is already on the screen, and this is the latest version for FiveM's official website. So you just have to download or update that one. Okay, so the next one, the sixth solution, is contact FiveM support team. Now that you have tried all the fixes, you should be able to solve the issue in FiveM. However, if you are still unable to do so, there is no need to panic, because there is a last option that you can try. We recommend that you contact the FiveM support team and communicate your issue to them. They will be able to help you out. And that's it, guys. That are the 6 solutions on how to fix server list query returned an error on FiveM. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.